the sausage to get ready for the jambalaya. And we're also getting ready the shrimp. Okay, first we're gonna start cooking the sausage.
Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making jambalaya, New Orleans style. Jambalaya is a popular dish in the Cajun cuisine.
Now we're done with the sausage, and then we're gonna do the rice and the shrimp next, huh? The shrimp on it. Okay, now we're cooking the shrimps, and they're almost done, and we're gonna put it in separate containers.
Ya cuando estén todos así, entonces lo grabas.
Okay. Mustard, paste, mustard, butter, rice in there. We put the rice and
The rice, the seasonings, the butter, and the tomato paste.
Yes. Okay, these are celery, bell peppers, and onions.
It's called the Holy Trinity.
Whole what?
Holy Trinity.
Holy Trinity?
Trinity.
Trinidad. Why do they call
En
that?
Nueva Orleans se llama la mezcla de apio, bell pepper y cebolla. Esas tres mezclas se llama la Holy Trinidad.
Holy Trinity. This is what they call it in New Orleans, ¿verdad?
Yes.
Okay, so we are gonna fry a little bit the Holy Trinity. Okay, now we got the we frying the rice with the Holy Trinity mix. So we can start our jambalaya. Perfect.
Hay que esperar que se suba el arroz.
Okay. Now that we mix our vegetables, we're gonna have to wait for the rice to cook and get cooking. It looks good. Okay, now we're gonna add the shrimps. And the sausage. Okay. Our jambalaya is coming all together. Falta aquí? Okay, that's good.
Bueno, vamos a tapar.
That looks really good.
¿Qué te parece?
It looks perfect.
Yes.
We came to the last batch right now. It's looking delicious.
Hi, Milorad here. I'm just going to try this jambalaya that my friend and my wife cooked today. I was not involved in cooking at all. I'm just trying and tasting this jambalaya, New Orleans style. And what is in this jambalaya is rice, sausage, and shrimps. And of course, like in all New Orleans cooking, there's a trinity involved, and that is bell peppers, onions, and celery. And I hope you put that in.
We did.
Okay.
We call it a holy
Holy Trinity.
Holy Trinity, yeah.
Okay, let me try. I will just grab a spoonful of rice. I can taste some kind of spice. Cajun spices? Okay. With shrimp. It's kind of really sweet. Sweet. Shrimp is sweet. Now let me try this sausage. What kind of sausage is New Orleans style?
Yes,
Louisiana style?
New Orleans style sausage.
Okay.
They call it Cajun sausage.
It's good. Maybe a little bit too sweet for me, but that's how they make sausage.
Because they have the they have tomato paste. Maybe it's a little sweet for you because of the tomato paste.
Okay, I think this is really good. Jambalaya, New Orleans style. And we're cooking for my nephew's birthday. And there's lots of other food, but for me, just tasting and enjoying this jambalaya. Thank you very much. Milorad out to finish my jambalaya.